Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you? Today we're diving into a topic that affects many men, but isn't often discussed: erectile dysfunction. What is erectile dysfunction? Why does it happen? And could the solution be as simple as what you drink? Stick around as we explore the best drinks to help manage erectile dysfunction naturally. Understanding erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction occurs when a man has difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection firm enough for sexual activity. Causes can include stress, anxiety, poor blood flow, or health issues such as diabetes and high blood pressure. While medications are available, they often come with side effects. Natural remedies can be a great alternative, offering support for sexual health without those side effects. Curious about natural solutions? We'll look into drinks that can boost performance and improve erectile dysfunction. From pomegranate juice to beet smoothies, these beverages are not just tasty. They're packed with nutrients that can improve blood flow, enhance mood, and support overall wellness. Let's discover the top drinks to help combat erectile dysfunction naturally. Top drinks for combating erectile dysfunction. Pomegranate juice. Packed with antioxidants like polyphenols, pomegranate juice enhances blood flow, which is essential for erections. It increases nitric oxide levels, improving blood vessel dilation. To incorporate it into your routine, drink a glass of fresh pomegranate juice daily or blend it into a smoothie. Beet juice. Rich in nitrates, beet juice boosts nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow and reducing blood pressure. A great way to start your day is with a fresh glass of beet juice, either juiced from raw beets or 100% pure beet juice. Green tea. High in catechins, green tea improves blood flow and reduces oxidative stress. It supports cardiovascular health, which is crucial for erectile function. To get the benefits, brew a cup of green tea, allowing it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Drink it first thing in the morning. Watermelon juice, huh? It's packed with citrulline, which your body converts to arginine. This process boosts nitric oxide production and improves blood flow. To enjoy its benefits, just blend fresh watermelon chunks to make juice. Oh, and drink it on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Ginger tea is another great option. Ginger improves blood circulation and has anti-inflammatory properties, promoting better erectile function. To make it, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for flavor if you like. Aloe vera juice is also beneficial. It supports blood circulation and hormonal balance, which can increase testosterone levels. To use it, mix 1 to 2 ounces of aloe vera juice with water or add it to a smoothie. Simple, right? Grapefruit juice. Benefits: contains naringenin, which improves blood flow and reduces inflammation. How to use: drink a glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice with breakfast. Spinach smoothie. Benefits: high in magnesium and folate, spinach improves blood flow and increases testosterone levels. How to use: blend fresh spinach leaves with banana, almond milk, and berries. Almond milk. Benefits: rich in vitamin E, almond milk improves blood flow and supports cardiovascular health. How to use: use almond milk in smoothies, coffee, or cereal. Coffee. The benefits of coffee are quite remarkable. Caffeine stimulates blood flow and helps achieve erections by relaxing arteries and muscles. So how to use it? Well, simply enjoy a cup of freshly brewed coffee in the morning. Maca root smoothie. The benefits of maca root are extensive. It enhances libido, balances hormones, and boosts energy levels. To incorporate it into your routine, add maca powder to your smoothie, coffee, or even oatmeal. Turmeric milk. The benefits here are all about curcumin, which improves blood flow and reduces inflammation. To make this, just mix turmeric powder with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper. Hibiscus tea. Benefits. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, hibiscus tea supports cardiovascular health and blood flow. How to use. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 10 minutes. Tomato juice. Benefits. Lycopene in tomato juice improves blood flow and reduces oxidative stress. How to use. Drink a glass of fresh tomato juice with breakfast. Cranberry juice. Benefits. Packed with antioxidants that enhance endothelial function and reduce oxidative stress. How to use. Drink a glass of pure cranberry juice daily. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can improve erectile function and offer overall health benefits. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Transform your health one sip at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks.